Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just finished doing my makeup for the day and curling my hair. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today, I thought I would do a school day in my life video because those videos are always so much fun to film, and today's gonna be an exciting day. I love Tuesdays and Thursdays because they are the most fun days. And I love the people that are in my classes. Right now I'm in my pajamas, so we need to change out of that. I went to Old Navy yesterday, which, by the way, I literally have not gone shopping in person in so long. I feel like I'm so used to just shopping online and receiving packages of clothes that I forgot what it was like to shop in person for clothing. So, got these really cute flowy pants. They're like so comfortable and like the softest things ever. So yeah, that's what I wore last night. So this morning I'm going on a breakfast date with my boyfriend. We're going to this place called Kirby Lane, which is so good. So I don't know if I want to wear my uniform, but then I also don't want to change later, so. Okay, I'm gonna wear my short sleeve. These are what my skirts look like. I've got a blue plaid one and then a gray one. I think I'm gonna wear the blue plaid one today. I like this one.
I wasn't sure if you left.
No.
Really? Okay.
Outfit is all picked out. Now I'm gonna put on my Apple Watch and then make my bed before I head out. Okay, before I head out to my school, I need to drop this off at the UPS store, so let's do that. I'm so excited for pancakes. I think I want like gingerbread pancakes today because Kirby Lanes are just top tier. Also, for a time check, it is 9:20 and my first class is at 12:10. Go stream Teenage Therapy. It's my new song that I just released and I'm so freaking excited because it has just been so much fun. I'll play a little bit of it for you guys. Just got to school and I'm gonna head in really quick, put my stuff in my locker, and then he's gonna pick me up. Hi guys, I just got home from school, and the sad thing about going to a private school is I cannot vlog in there because I'm gonna get in trouble. So I'm very sorry you guys didn't get to see my day, but it really wasn't all that interesting. I only had one core class, which was history. But yeah, anyways, breakfast was so good this morning. Can I just like talk about how good my gingerbread pancakes were? But now I'm home. Hello, hello. Look, Leo has a toy for me. Is that your toy? Oh, come here. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Did Mom tell you that we're having spaghetti tonight?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
She wants me to start making it, but I can't.
I'll make it. Okay, I'm literally wearing the same thing that I wore this morning. My comfy pants and then my Boise State shirt. Also, I put my hair in this little clip. This is my favorite clip from Urban Outfitters. Absolutely love it. Let's go make dinner because my dad's working and I don't want to make him make dinner, so I'm gonna make it tonight, but that also means there's a chance it's gonna be really bad. Y'all, look how cute this new board is, like a cutting board. My mom got it from Sur La Table and she's literally been talking about it. I actually think it's really cute, and so now we just like cut fruit on here, cut our sandwiches or whatever, and then we like obviously wipe it down, but it's just kind of nice so that we can just have a cutting board just like here. Gotta get a pot to boil the water, and obviously I'm just literally gonna use this. So why not? All right, water's boiling. Now we pick out the pasta. I feel like each of my family members like different kinds of pasta types, but my favorite is angel hair pasta, but I'm gonna call my mom just to make sure because I'm kind of scared.
Hey, Annie.
Hey, what pasta am I using? Am I using the linguine or the...
No, if you go in the pantry,
Yeah.
and it's one of those containers, you open it, it's like a half box. Are you starting the spaghetti?
Yeah. All right, found the spaghetti. I'm kind of sad. I like this type of pasta, but angel hair definitely is my favorite. Okay.
It's not eating, right?
Yeah.
I would say half of it.
Half of the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, while I wait, I'm gonna make myself a chai because I have been craving a chai all day, but I didn't want to drive to a coffee shop and like pay $6 for one. So we're gonna make one at home. I'll give you guys my recipe. All right, so first things first, you're gonna need a cup of ice, full of ice. Then you're gonna need some Tazo classic chai. And then you're gonna pour the same amount that you put of the chai, but with almond milk. I'm only drinking a little bit because this is gonna keep me up, but this is what it looks like, and the chai's all at the bottom, so I need to stir it. Now for the taste test. Oh my gosh, so fire. Recycle. All right, y'all, time to add pasta. Okay, wait, how do I even do this? Oh my god. Oh my god, what the? Please, how does one do that? Look at this. That's my last reason. This is like the first day of school when I like dropped all my cereal all over the counter and the floor. I know it ain't make the stallion. You know it's your girl. Ew, what in the? We've got some nice meat. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. Always love you. You. Ow, your hand is on my hair.
Okay, right?
Guys, I have a kid.
Are you ready for what?
Oh, shit. It's kind of hot, yeah.
Pop it here.
Oh my, look at the camera. Memories. Sorry about that, y'all. That was kind of foggy. But above all that, I wish you love. What the? What was that?
That was her voice.
Sir, that didn't tell her.
That is her voice. Okay, ready? Careful.
That was a little sharp.
I don't know if it's repeatable.
That was really scary. What was that?
It was a real note.
Look how excited they get. It's crazy. Oh my. Look at her. Ready? Sit. Oh. Dogs are fed. Now time for me to eat. She's such a drama queen.
That's Mama's.
My dad's literally making her food. Mom, you want to say anything?
I'm tired.
This is so ridiculous.
Get off the couch. Off the couch.
Okay, you ready for your bowl?
All right, we're gonna Parmesan this up with some, how do you pronounce this? Is it cello? Parmesan cheese. This looks so good. And now let's do a taste test. Doing work while I'm eating, that's just the reality. Okay. Mmm. That's good. Was a world made for us? You know you're finishing the chorus, right?
I go long, right?
No, I go long.
You go long?
Yeah. Okay, switch parts. Switch parts, right?
Okay.
Overwhelmed by the unknown was the world made for my soul. Dad, that's not it. You gotta hold it.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't.
Guys, look who literally just called me.
I'm in a shower robe right now.
Oh. Let's not show that.
I wanted to tell you a really cute story, but I feel weird saying it in front of Dad.
Plug your ear.
No, you might have to walk away.
Tell me the story. What happened?
I'm still here.
I don't want to say it in front
Okay,
of
I'll go to my room then. Bye, guys.
Teenage therapy. Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.